All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to teach you how to turn a regular PAL into an experimental, scientific, roid-raged monstrosity using the PAL condensation menu, well, the condensation tube. And I believe this one, if you want to build this for yourself, is a piece of ancient technology, one of the first ones that you build at level 14, which is basically the Pal Essence Condenser. So the way that this works is you can take a random PAL, well, not a random PAL, hopefully it's one that you really like, and you can select this PAL, and then you can use PALs of the same species in order to juice them up and make them even stronger. In this particular case, you can use 4. There's an increasing number of them up until like you've used some like 40 something of them. And each one of them gives them a gold star, which makes them more powerful and gives them a boost to their overall stats. So when you do this, you generally want to do this with a PAL that you want to keep for a very long period of time. And that's one of the ways that you want to max out your PALs once you get to the end game is by using the Essence Condenser to smush a bunch of them together to make the one super duper ultra overpowered version of the original PAL. There's some other ways that you can also boost your PALs as well, like giving them additional skill books, although those are typically useful for around the base. So if you step inside our weird egg hatching office over here, you'll notice we've got these storage lockers where we've got a bunch of books that can be used to increase like watering skill, or we can use those to increase planting skill. But those are less combat skills and more just utilitarian skills when they're working with different machinery and equipment around the base. You can also use skill fruits in one of these chests to give them different skills, like Icicle Cutter or Blizzard Spike or Aqua Gun. So you can mix and match a lot of the different abilities and a lot of the different stats that the PALs have, and then you can also breed for different sort of passive skills that they get as well. Like this guy's got King of the Waves, which increases their movement speed on water, but not exactly the most useful thing when you have a giant purple deer. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's just a brief look at how the Essence Condenser works and what it's for. It's basically just to let you use up all of your leftover PALs of the same species that have terrible like passives or stats, and then just use them as a raw stat booster by turning them into a slurry and injecting them into the main PAL. So that'll be it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. I believe to build this, by the way, before I leave, this is actually not too expensive. It's just some Paldium fragments, 20 ingots, and 5 ancient civilization parts, which you can get from defeating raid bosses in dungeons, or you can go and fish them up as well by finding the sparkly fish. So that's it. Have a good one, everybody, and bye.